Hey, hello everyone. Day 159 here at Industrial Fabrication Company. We made some great progress today. Really great progress. Already starting up the welding. After fit up on base number 8. We got more plates in today, which was a surprise, but it was really cool seeing the team all work together to get everything cleared out so we can get that truck in and out of here. But a lot of cool stuff we worked on. It was over here, we're getting more filled in, figuring out where things are going to go, how things are going to work. But this is a new change that we got going. And what this allows us to do is we'll be able to put a jack in here and have the head stick out just the right amount so that we can then just come down and take the head off. Before, we were having to hold this. So really excited about that change. That's going to be really good. We already did one test and it was great. Much easier. We have a place for it. This is clamped down. It's not going to move. And then this is kind of our next thing to tackle. But with the first thing we need is a vise. And then we'll reduce this all down, and so we'll have a great area for how we're going to do all that. So that's really cool. We did get our cutting table for the honeycomb sheets set out over there, so that's great. And got just inside here, I guess I can show. We added in for our combine, not just like the ones that kind of come in from the shop in, we'll get placed in the order, and then after they've been ordered, we'll put them here so that there's that signal out to the shop that those things have been ordered. And then once they come in, we'll then take the card and the product and put it back. So that's going to be really cool. And had some really good different bidding opportunities today that we'll be working on. So excited about that. That was really good. The anchor frames back from the painter, so getting them in. Just going to do a fit check before the customer shows up tomorrow, where they then also want to do a fit check, but we want to make sure everything's going to work before they get here. But these are looking nice, and ready to. It'd be cool to meet the customer tomorrow in person. Working on the bender parts, getting them bent up in the press brake. As you can see, we got there. One thing we did a little different, we changed up our process flow to make things a little easier. What we had been doing before, so this hole gets cut to a 1/4 inch, and then we need to bring it out to the right size for the threaded hole. But that 1/4 inch in the laser, the reason we want to then bring it out is the hardened edge that the laser creates is hard for a tap. So we need to drill these after. But what we were doing is we were forming these up, putting it all together, and then drilling them after it all been made. By leaving them as the plate, this makes it easy to use the drill press, which drills through that much faster. So, far faster than we could do it individually. We're able to get through all those right in advance. So just by changing the order of when we do something, saving a bunch of time. We had, Dan had noticed some quality stuff on a project that we thought was done on these frames, so we were able to get that fixed. Obviously, we want to make sure we're delivering high quality to the customer, and they had some good discussion on that. All in all, it was a good day, ready for another good one tomorrow. This frame or this base and those 4 frames will be going out of here tomorrow. So we'll have a lot getting invoiced tomorrow, which is going to be fun. I think. Oh, actually, Aaron showed me 2 improvements that he had made. So one thing, he welded on these chains so he can hold up both sides of this cart. So when they have it hung up above on the crane while they're doing this welding, he doesn't have to put separate straps on. So that was a good improvement. And then the other thing, he put this shelf in the back so he can store a grinder there, kind of where he needs it, but out of the way. I think that's all. Sign off for now.